If you also want to fix invisible enemy character issue in your Space Marine 2 game here on your PC, your PS5 or Xbox. Now, firstly I'm going to show you the process for your PC in first. If you're facing the issue on your PC while playing the game or operating the game, you simply have to click on your Wi-Fi network connection thing, and here you can refresh your Wi-Fi network connection, connect to a different and strong Wi-Fi network. Click on the airplane mode to refresh background applications running on your PC to simply reset your network setting, your connection speed, and your data connection authenticity. Now we're going to check our speed test of Wi-Fi connection. I'm getting a download speed of 198 MB and upload speed is about 2 and 13 GB per second. So that is a quite nice, and after this setting you won't face any type of error in your game and you can play it smoothly. So keep watching videos like this and subscribe the channel for watching more.